fade in on a mist-covered cemetery under a full moon. The air is thick with anticipation and a hint of magic. From the earth, a hand emerges. It belongs to Jasper, a zombie, who's on a quest to find his lost love, Lily. Across the desolate landscape, Jasper shuffles, memories of Lily fueling his undead heart. Their love was strong, transcending even death. Meanwhile, Lily, now a ghost, wanders the same cemetery. She senses Jasper's presence, a beacon of hope in her spectral existence. Their paths converge near an ancient oak. The moment their eyes meet, the world seems to stand still, time bending to their will. In a tender embrace, they find solace. Though from different worlds, their love proves undying, a testament to love's eternal power. As dawn breaks, they fade away, together at last.